Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Bella. So it has actually been a while since I did a video, and I actually dyed my hair into this beautiful color. But then after that, I don't know. At times I felt it was too bright, then other times I just felt it was too dry, and actually that's not the case. And too, what do you call it? Thin, but I think it's beautiful. I think the color is lovely, but I haven't been taking so much videos or recording or doing anything at all because I don't know. I think with time or just a little bit more time, I'll come to love it. But actually, I do love it. I love that it's not blonde and neither is it color 33. So I just wanted to make my own style, and for that, actually, I think I'm supposed to just put a little water on my hands so that they just absorb that. So let me bring some water in a cup. Then after that, I'll go in with my sleek treat, sleek leave-in treatment with argan oil. This is a leave-in conditioner. Some coconut oil for my scalp. Like it's really cold in Nairobi, and this coconut has never been in liquid form. It's always in this, I don't know how to call it, porridge like form, but this is what I use, and I prefer this one to the other coconut oils. Other coconut oils tend to dry my scalp and just dry my hair and make it feel a little bit coarse. Then to seal in, I'll go with this shea butter. I love this shea butter, and I'll be trying to do a style to just put them all up in a pan and tie it up and see how it looks like. But when I went to the salon to get these box braids done, mini braids, I actually wanted them to be a little bit bigger. I think like this size. See how this looks like? It looks nice, but then my hair at the front just tends to be short. Look at this, not at this. I don't know. Do you guys feel like your hair is growing faster at some areas and very slow, or actually not really growing at some areas? Because I think that's what happened to mine. I want it. I want this. You see how long this braid is and how short these braids are. I think there I have a problem. I don't know how to fix that. But let's hope that it will go. Then I think I'll be applying some makeup. So let me first get that. So when I do mini braids or when I put my hair in a protective style like this or mini braids, I tend to be so much what do I call it, obsessed with using water, and water just tends to freeze up everything. Like it makes the hair freeze, and once the hair freezes, it looks like the hairstyle is too old. So this time round, since I don't have a spray bottle yet, I'm just going to dip the tips on into water. Just the line that drops off. Just the tips. I don't know how to style this now that at the front they're pretty short and at the back it looks so long. I wish my hair at the front would be as long as it is at the back. because this is too short, my dear. This is too short, too short. I'm actually just applying water. Actually, a good way to do this is just to take your spray bottle, mix water and the leave-in conditioner together, then just spray it. You can do it on the ends. Don't put it on the roots because it will tend to freeze, and once your hair is pretty at the roots is near the scalp. Once your hair is pretty at the roots, your hairstyle tends to look a little bit old. You see, it's coming out. I like it when it does this. And after, let's say, 3 to 4 days, it will just have curled, like the whole of it will have curled. The ends will be so curly and so beautiful. So, yeah, I think that's enough because we're also going to be adding in leave-in conditioner, and leave-in conditioner tends to have a lot of water moisture. So, I think that's enough. I think the beauty of mini braids and mini twists is the ends. I love how the ends tend to color or tend to turn out. Then, now with this, I just have to open it because I don't think it can actually. Wow, this is going to take a really, really long time to just get it down there. In the normal days, I always just open the lid and put it on my head, and it just tends to just on its own get applied on the scalp. But it's melting at the temperature of my hand. It's already melting. Actually, I just tend to love coconut oil because it keeps my scalp calm. I have a very itchy scalp, especially here. It's very itchy. And when your scalp is itchy, it tends to be annoying because people think you have lice on your head. So at the back, I don't have a very big issue with my scalp. It's not so itchy. But at the front, it's like, I don't know, it needs a lot of taken, being taken care of because it's really very dry. And I feel like the thickness of my hair has really reduced, especially after the dyeing process. But I don't know if that's truly the case. But let's hope for the best with the mini twist. So for the leave-in conditioner, I'm just going to apply it on the shafts or on the length of my hair, like that. Not on the scalp, just on the ends of my hair, like that. And on the ends. The first time I did my mini braids, I think I really did them. And I don't know if the lady that did them is still around. but they were so nice. They were not so little and not so big. And her cutting was so neat, and they lasted me almost a month. In fact, they lasted me a month and some time. But well, I pushed it out that long because I was busy and I needed to get the stuff. I hope this will last me. Hey, you see the cows are coming out, the cows are coming, the cows are coming. Now, when it comes to the pattern, I don't like so much small sections because when they are so small, the mini braids tend to be, I don't know, so mean because taking down this is going to be just a task for a day on its own, which I'm not thinking about it yet. Then this, I'm also going to apply on the shafts and the ends. Just very little, not so much. Like on one side, this can be. Just, I just want it to be on the ends. I don't know why my hair is so long and so short in some areas. I don't know if you are experiencing this. Please share and tell me what to do because put my hair in the bun. So I'm done with applying the oils and I just want to go into styling and see how it turns out. If it turns out well, I'll do some makeup and take some pictures. So I'm just going to turn up the box so that you can see what I'm doing. I wish this will just go down. It's so annoying. So let me just tap on the so that's what we have. I wish I had dyed my hair red, but I don't know how that will turn out because if I felt brown was too bright, what about red? But I see people with red looking so beautiful. Okay, so first things first, we're just going to take a brush and comb. So I'm going to be doing a ponytail. Is it called a ponytail? A bun. Yeah, bun. So because my hair at the front is so short, this is what I do. I take the first one and tuck it under the second one, like making a contour or I don't know how you can call it. No, not the brown. So someone told me to try and use lemon on my dandruff. And I think it was a great idea because actually that one time that I did use lemon, I didn't feel so much itchiness in my, and I think I'll be trying it. So this is actually how it all turned out. I think I'm just going to be recording a few videos on TikTok. I post for you guys this video, and yeah, that's it. And I think it has been a while since I have done a video, and I actually enjoyed doing this. Although it took me a lot of hours. I don't know. I just don't know how to style these mini braids yet. But most of the time, I always wear half up, half down. But this time, I think I love the box braids at the back, and I just want them to show a little bit more. And tell me, guys, what you think about my hair color now that I dye it. I think I'm happy that my roots are back to black, because at first it was all brown, and I was wondering what I'm going to do with that kind of, scalp. But now I think the blackness is just making it, the brown, more bold, and I love that. And yeah, that's it for this video. Please, if you like, make sure you subscribe if you are new to my channel, because here we create any kind of content, but especially for hair content. And it has been a journey for a while now, and I love it more when I share it with you guys, or I experience it more when I try and share it with you guys. Yeah, that's just it. And I think I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Until then, peace, signing out.